let me come to the space data center. How it produces the energy or power for AI racks, and also how data will be used. Base data center, there will be a constellations of satellites. So the satellites have to communicate between each other, maybe through power or data. So there will be two types of satellites. One is power satellite, another one is compute satellite for training and inference purpose. In power satellites, they use gallium arsenide solar panels for the production of DC electricity. And these satellites run in sun synchronous manner, so 24/7 availability of solar energy. And then this DC electricity will be converted to what is called a laser beam. So it could be transmitted between the satellites, and also they balance the power across the satellite, because one satellite may require less power, other may require more power. Again, these laser beams have to be converted to DC electricity to power this AI racks, and then the heat produced from this AI racks due to the training of AI models or inference purpose will pass through heat pipes and radiate it into the space. And the important thing is, space does not contain air or heat. It just have vacuum. We talked about the power transmission between satellites. Now let me talk about the data transmission, that is bits. Let me consider two satellites. What they need? They need data, that is training, for training purpose. They need training data, and also they want what is called power also. But the data transmitted between these two through laser beam, high frequency laser beam. But they don't have the optical fibers as seen in traditional data centers. What if the data has to be transmitted from satellite to user present on the ground? For this purpose, both these have to be connected to satellite internet. For example, Starlink. When user prompts the access data from this one of the satellites that is connected to this Starlink. Now there will be high latency because of the atmospheric conditions, because of air, because of air particles, cloud, etc. Here, traditional data centers are better.